Alright, so here we are overlooking the terminus end of Lake Bashir. You can see behind me there, going out that way. This is a pretty cool little lookout point just off the trail. I'll give you a better view. All the way down over there. It's kind of high right now because of the rains that we've had recently, but the lake actually goes off in that direction there. So we're about 3.5 miles in on the trail and going good. Trail's in good shape. So here we are. This is it's our little waterfall spot here on the trail. Nice little respite. Trail up that way, and then the trail cuts up that hill and keeps on going. So we somehow managed to completely miss this on the way through. We're on our way back now, but there's a tree just growing right in the middle of the trail. Not exactly sure how we did that, but walked right past it. So up here on what we're now going to call Three Pines Ridgeline.